Welcome back. So, in the previous video, we looked at sentences and determined that statements are the sort of sentences we need to make arguments. And besides the label statements, we can also call these sentences claims or propositions. So these are three terms all used to describe a sentence that can be true or false. It does not make sense to ask of a question, an exclamation, or a command if it is true or false. Arguments always have more than one statement, and that should work together logically to increase our understanding. Stringing together sentences in a logical way to make a point is called reasoning. And an argument always has a conclusion, that which is up for debate. To support that conclusion, premises. Both premises and conclusions are statements, but one supports the other. Premises are also called evidence or reason, and those three terms can be used interchangeably. There is a small test you can do to identify conclusions in premises. If you can start a sentence with the word because, it is a premise. And if you can insert therefore, it is a conclusion. So let's look at an example. The most famous argument ever produced and one of the first. So we have three statements here. All men are mortal, Socrates is mortal, and Socrates is a man. Pause the video and determine which statement is the conclusion and which are the premises using the because and therefore test. So pause the video and continue when you're ready. So because all men are mortal and because Socrates is a man, those are the premises. Therefore, Socrates is mortal, the conclusion. And a good way to visualize arguments is in the form of an argumentation tree. In it, you can see what the conclusion is up top and the premises underneath. And mind map is especially helpful in making arguments visible.